Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this Mac Mini hub and stand for the Mac Mini and Mac Mini Pro M4. This hub and stand has USB, USB-C. It's got the ability to add an NVMe M.2 drive and a nice hub here for you to be able to create content, add to your workflow, or use this in your day-to-day. With that said, the folks at RayCue provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys. It helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. The unboxing is very straightforward. It comes with a user manual, obviously. It's got nice airflow with a fan. It's got thermal dispersion here. It's got a nice little silicone pad here for you to set your Mac Mini on. And it's got a number of different ports here and I/O for you to be able to use. You've got obviously your USB in to plug it in. That does pass data and power. You've got two USB 3.0s, a USB-C, as well as a 3.5mm jack. On the back side here, you've got two more USB 3.0s, micro SD card, and SD card reader, which is really nice. On the front here is where we're going to be installing our M.2 NVMe drive. In the rest of the box, it comes with some of the tools as well as hardware to plug it in. And it does come with a thermal pad and some stickers as well, which is nice. We take off the plate here first, and now we can go ahead and unscrew the mount. It does support a number of sizes of M.2 drive. I've got the largest. I place the thermal pad first on there. This is going to press fit into the adapter. It'll click into place, and then you can finish it off by screwing it in. It'll fasten just like that and screw in simply. There is a plastic piece on the top that you need to peel off from the thermal pad. Now we can return it back. Now we're ready to go ahead and fix it to my Mac Mini. I've got the Mac Mini hub connected here. You can see I've got my keyboard and my mouse connected, which is nice. I've got an SD card we can now go ahead and place in there. What's nice is how versatile this is with so many USB 3.0 ports for you to be able to game, to have your peripherals or whatever else you need. We've got my massive hard drive plugged in. We've got my NVMe M.2 that is being read. I've got the micro SD card for my Insta360 X5. Let's go ahead and show you some of the read-write speeds. Coming up closer, you can see I've got both of my SD card and micro SD cards plugged in. They're being recognized and they're reading no problem. You can see they look great there in the hub. Firstly, let's show you what we can move from the M.2 NVMe drive. We'll copy over a folder and bring it onto the desktop. You can see 15 gigs is traveling 10 seconds, so fast. Really, really slick. Now, if we wanted to copy into itself, we can go ahead and copy it and it's immediate. 15 gigs copies super fast. If we want to move over from the SD card, we can pull over this 5 GB file from my Insta360 X3 and move it over to the M.2 drive. 5 gigs is moving less than a minute. The write speeds are a little bit slower, but I am moving from a micro SD card onto the NVMe drive, and it's because of the micro SD card that we have a little bit of throttling. So the 5 gigs isn't moving as fast because of that micro SD card. However, if we move to this massive hard drive T7 Shield from Samsung, I can move over these large files, pasting 7 items over. It's about 40 gigs. This will go so fast because of the USB-C transfer speeds are so good, especially transferring to a NVMe M.2 drive. From my massive hard drive, it moves super quick as well. You can see that those read-write speeds are great. This is a fantastic companion for gaming, for storing your content, to have as backups or as an extra drive if you wanted your Mac Mini to be extended. Moving 42 gigs here from my massive storage hard drive from USB-C over to the M.2 drive. It's very fast, moving 2 minutes, 40 gigs. Very pleased with that. Having this as a nice backup or to be able to use in your daily with all of the ports, I think is a great option. I'm very pleased with the RayCue hub here. I really like how you have so much to offer in the way of peripherals. You can have this as a nice little hub for content creation, gaming. You can have this for language learning or AI models. It's a nice tool to have here as a companion for your Mac Mini or Mac Mini Pro. With that said, RayCue did provide some complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys. It helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.